Look how big this Sephora box is. I'm so excited. Let's tuck in. Hello you guys, my name's Ali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a fresh set of acrylic nails on today and I'm feeling good, so let's get into the video. So this massive Sephora box just landed on my doorstep and I'm so excited to see what's inside. I've just had a shower, a fresh face, so I want to do a whole face of what is in this box. So let's have a look. This is definitely a first impressions. Ooh, lots of skincare goodies. Okay, we're starting with the Urban Jungle Cleansing Balm. I've actually seen this brand around, but I've never really looked into it because I don't know if it's maybe the packaging. It just doesn't, resonate with me. But all the reviews online are saying it's really good and I love a good cleansing balm, so let's try it out. This one retails for $36 and it doesn't have a scent, which I really like. Then we have the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. When I tell you that this was the it product about 4 years ago, everyone wanted this face cleanser and so did I. Desperately wanted it, but I think it was quite expensive, so I never actually bit the bullet. Yes, I'm just looking at my notes. It's $74. That's why I never bought it. Yeah, in my opinion, you can buy alternatives that are just as good at a much cheaper price. That being said, I actually really like this face cleanser. It doesn't irritate my skin, which is something I can usually pick up on straight away when I try a new cleanser. It's super soft, it's super gentle, and it says it's good for all skin types as well, which is a plus. One thing I also like is it doesn't foam even when you apply water. It's super gentle and it feels really calming on the skin, so I'm definitely gonna keep using this. Ooh, we have another Urban Jungle product. This one's called the Goat. It's a face serum and it's got niacinamide, vitamin C and ferulic acid in it. Serums like this are perfect if you have any lackluster skin, any pigmentation, dark spots, things like that you really need to lighten up, maybe even some dark under eyes. It doesn't whiten your skin though, so you don't have to worry about that. By the way, this one is $46 and the packaging is just so cute. I love it. It's also correct. So vitamin C's, they need glass dark bottles to stay stable. Otherwise they start to oxidize and the product goes this brownie color. And that's just not what you need in your life, because once it starts to oxidize, it's pretty much useless. There's no point in putting it on your face. I really like this serum though. It's lovely and watery on the skin and it's not sticky at all, which is good because I hate sticky serums. All right, let's try some SPF. This is the Airy Day SPF 50 Plus Golden Glow Dream Screen. I think this product might be new to Sephora just because I can't find it on their website, but it does retail for $49, which I think is okay for a boutique sunscreen, but you can definitely find something for less. Actually, this brand Airy Day does these amazing gel SPFs that leave absolutely no white cast and I love them. They're perfect for under makeup and things like that. This one does have a tint to it, but definitely try out the gel formula ones because they're really cool. This one, I'm not sure why, but I'm having a tough time blending it into my skin and I'm really not loving the gold color shade that they've chosen either, if I'm being honest. Actually, I think the other day Razia Mo was having this issue as well, where she felt the sunscreen was just sort of sitting on top of her face and not really blending into her skin. All in all, I'd say give the other Airy Day products a go, but maybe give the Golden Glow one a miss. Ooh, okay, now we have another vitamin C and this one's from the Sephora collection. So this one's $32 and it's made up of 98% natural ingredients, which I think is pretty cool. There's also no scent in this one, which I like. Really good for sensitive skin or those who are sensitive to fragrance. And also correct packaging, that dark glass packaging, so the product doesn't oxidize. A win. I'd say the consistency is only slightly thicker than the Urban Jungle Goat Serum and just a smidge tacky. It's not sticky, it's just a little bit tacky. It also says that you can use this every day, AM and PM, but I would just use this in the morning followed by a sunscreen. Then we have the Bang & Bod firming lotion for $49, which I think that's quite expensive for such a small tube, and it's a body lotion, but a little must go a long way. It also smells so good. I've smelled the tester at Sephora before, and it's like the definition of summer. I love it. It kind of gives me Sol de Janeiro vibes. Yeah, it's really nice. Okay, yes, it's quite a thick cream and a little goes a very long way. It does kind of have that texture that leaves your hands slightly clammy after use, if I'm being real. And that's like one of my top 10 most hated feelings. Okay, so the website says it's a hydrating body lotion. Apply to your entire body for instant hydration and glow, and for best results, apply twice a day on targeted areas of concern. Now, it also says that you can apply it to your face, but honestly, I wouldn't do that, especially if you have sensitive skin, because it just does have a lot of fragrance in there. Wait, it also says you can also use this as a spot treatment. Apply directly onto the pimple to help reduce redness, inflammation, and prevent scarring. What? So it's a body and face moisturizer, it's a hand cream, a firming lotion, it gets rid of stretch marks, and it helps with acne. I don't think so. But if you're looking for a body cream that smells really good and feels like summer, then this should be your go-to. Ooh, okay, this is cute. This is the Laneige Besties set for $46. And it's essentially a pack of 5 minis to do a routine. So in the AM, you use the Water Bank cleansing foam, the serum, and then the moisturizer. And then in the evening, again, you use the Water Bank cleansing foam, the serum, the moisturizer, but then you also add in the sleeping night mask and then the sleeping lip mask. Honestly, I love this. This would be a perfect gift for someone. And in fact, I'm not gonna swatch this. I am going to give it to whoever comments down below who wants it. I'll pack up a bunch of goodies for you and send it your way along with this. So make sure to comment down below and also subscribe. All right, let's move along. We have the Nude Sticks blush in Sun-Kissed Pink. These retail individually for $57, but Nude Sticks do really fantastic blushes, contours, bronzers. They do really good eyeshadow sticks. They are a fantastic brand, and also Sophia Richie also loves them, so I'm a sheep and I also love them. That's not how I found out about them, but it is how I sort of regained my love for Nude Sticks. So good partnership, Nude Sticks. This shade has a really beautiful burnt pink look to it, perfect for summer. And if you wanted to do that sort of light sunburn trend that people are doing with the blushes at the moment, it also comes with a built-in brush, which I love, and it's really great at buffing out that blush and making it look a little bit more seamless on the face. Then we have the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes eyeshadow palette. This retails for $83, which I did expect for, you know, Kim Kardashian's makeup artist. I have heard amazing things about Makeup by Mario's products, especially by Claire Bridget. She's another beauty content creator and she loves his stuff. Sorry if you can hear that aeroplane, by the way. She's like a little dirty. All right, I'm not gonna lie, the packaging is a little bit dirty, but I think that's because it's white packaging and everything tends to cling onto it, but it kind of takes away from that sleek, high quality, you know, luxe makeup look that I think Mario was going for. Really beautiful selection of eyeshadows, especially for the everyday person. I love all of these shades and I can definitely see myself using all of them. If you're a bit of a makeup connoisseur and you like to really go out there with your makeup with bold colors, this one's probably not the one for you, but if you do like your everyday bronzers, your latte makeups, this will definitely be a goodie for you. Now the shades aren't called anything special, they're literally just called matte 1, matte 2, etc. So let's do some swatching. So this is matte 1, matte 2, matte 3, matte 4, matte 5, matte 6, matte 7, matte 8, matte 9, matte 10, running out of room on my arm, matte 11, and matte 12. That's not a cute picture, but we'll just put it in. And you guys, we're done. That's everything I received in my Sephora PR package. I really hope you enjoyed this YouTube video. Make sure to like, subscribe, all that jazz, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah!